One thing we say here with ClearGuard is remember your ABCs: avoid, block, and clean. You're responsible to make sure the kids are avoiding each other in the classroom. Let us take care of the B for the block, and we can actually create a barrier blocking them from when they can't maintain that 6-foot separation. And then we have a whole portfolio of cleaning products that your tremendous heroes on the janitorial and facility staff are going to be doing to maintain disinfection between those certain time frames. One of the feedbacks we've gotten from the teachers is they like the fact that it's portable, it's very easy to clean, and it's not putting extra pressure on the janitorial staff, which is one more thing that they have to clean. There's a couple different ways that you can purchase our products. The first one is going right to our website at LumAwareSafety.com, LUMAWARE safety.com. You can certainly give us a phone call at 513-761-7614. And it's also carried by the Home Depot Pro and also available at the Home Depot stores.